Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I went and picked up the engine for the new build. You guys don't know what we're building yet. I haven't revealed the next build for the channel that we're gonna be doing, but I did pick up the engine for it. And I'm gonna tell you now, I'm about to show you guys the engine, but I guarantee you guys seeing the engine is gonna throw you off for a loop on what we're building. And I guarantee it's not anything you think because of what engine it is. So, but I want to see y'all's guesses in the comments. Let's see who can guess it. Y'all can guess the car that we're going to be building. After seeing this engine, I will message you and we'll figure something out. Maybe I'll send you a sticker. So, the first person though, not everybody who guesses it, the first person to guess it, I will comment on your comment, hit me up on Instagram, and I'll send you out a sticker. So the first person who can guess it by the engine. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and reveal the engine that we picked up today for the build. So, and I know, hold on, before I show you all this here real quick, some of y'all gonna comment, why is the engine mount, or why is the engine sitting like that? Why is it not sitting upright, or this and that? We're going through this engine. So it was easier for them to just lift it and drop it on the trailer the way it was, how it's sitting, than anything, and it won't move around. So it's okay, right? I'm going through the engine anyways. So yeah. Let me see in the comments what y'all think. Let's go ahead and flip the camera around and show you guys what we got. Look at that. Ooh, baby. We picked up a 5-tree. Yeah, she's a little, a little dusty. She's been sitting for a while. But the engine was running and driving out of the vehicle it was in. The person I got this engine from pulled the engine out of his car, or his truck, to go 6.2 with heads and cams. So, and then this has been sitting for about a year, he said. Yes, it was sitting outside. No, I'm not concerned about it because it still has an intake on it, still has a manifold on it, still has the spark plugs in it, and the intake was covered, and he did have the exhaust ports covered as well. I just took them out to look down in there to see if water was in the cylinders, kind of thing. There was a little bit, but I'm not too concerned because, like I said, we're going to be going through this engine anyways, and that really don't matter, So, yeah, guys, we got here a 5-point Chevy LS engine that is going to be going into our next build. So, any guesses what we're going to be doing after seeing the engine? She's seen better days, but it's a 5-tree, and the best thing about it, it is not drive-by-wire. It is drive-by-cable. So, yeah, let's see how I'm going to get this out of the trailer in the garage by myself, with no cherry picker or anything. So let me set you guys up on a tripod, and then y'all can sit back, grab some popcorn, and laugh at me struggling to get this out. Sorry I couldn't grab the camera and turn it. This thing wasn't balanced well. Let me catch my breath. I need to get some water in me. Oh yeah. I forgot how heavy LSs are. I've been dealing with Honda engines for so long lately. She's a heavy one, eh? Very heavy. Let me know what you all think about how I got that engine off of there with that tranny jack. Pretty smart, hey? Left a couple oil stains, but it's all good. I'll clean that up when we pressure wash that engine. Whew. Drink some water. Water, guys, good for you. Drink up. So yeah, got the engine put over in the corner, and I didn't want to show no one anything that was going on with the next build for the channel until I had more stuff ready for it. But I picked up that engine for it, and to be honest, that's not the engine I was looking for to put in this project. It came for a really good deal, and I couldn't pass up the deal. Don't know if it turns. I haven't did anything to it. He told me how much it was for a complete engine, and I said, say no more, I'm on my way. And I went and picked her up. And now we have a 5.3 LS. I believe it's out of an 01 or 02 1500, he said. Yeah, dude, I'm tired. You see all this freaking dripping sweat over here, y'all? My shirt is, well, that's from dripping, but look at my arms. Ooh-wee. But, yeah. Let me know in the comments if you all figured out where that's going in. And I'm pretty sure most of y'all will not guess it. Or I don't think anyone will, to be honest. But I think that's going to go ahead and close out this video. Just a quick little video to show you guys the engine that's going in the next build. I already have the chassis is going in. Yeah, we're going LS in it, baby. Whatever the project is that you guys will see soon. This was a big thing I was waiting for to get for the project. So I can actually make moves with this chassis. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think that's going in. Also, if y'all want to help share these videos, hit the thumbs up, and yeah, let your friends and brothers and grandmothers and uncles and cousins let them know about this channel, because what we're doing is going to be expensive. It's going to be dope, but I'm excited for it, and yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. So, yeah, we're going to do things different around here a little bit. We're sticking to our roots, but we're doing a little difference. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. So please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post, and we will catch y'all in the next one. Peace out and God bless everybody. Woohoo!